Hi guys, and welcome to video 8 of module 1. So continuing on from the previous video where we were setting up our text, in this video we're going to set up a camera view, and we're also going to look into rendering an animation of our Tyflow, of this whole animation here. So I've already set up my view, just in my perspective view I've set myself up. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go into our create button up here, and we're going to go create, we're going to go camera, we're going to create a physical camera from view. So now this view here is camera 1. So down the bottom right corner here we can now use our camera view navigation tools. So I can use the orbit tool, for example. I've changed my environment through my rendering button up here and my environment option here to make sure I've got a white background like you can see here, and this just makes the Tyflow leaves that I've made come up a lot nicer. I'm going to go standard and go lighting and shadows. I'm going to go to materials. I'm going to go realistic materials with maps. This gives us a more high resolution kind of render. I'm going to choose high quality for our render quality. And we're going to keep these as they are. Okay, so now we'll right click on the plus button here, and we're going to go create preview and save preview animation as. We're going to go to our desired destination folder and save it there. And we'll call this test 2. Save. So it will just load as it saves. We can also go right click, create preview animation here. And if we go with these options here, ensuring that we have 0 to 200 keyframes like we do in our actual keyframe bar here, we go render viewport physical camera 1, yes, we go create. You'll see the process it takes to create this render. So it captures each keyframe in the entire 200 keys, captures each photo of each frame, and then puts it all together in a nice animation. And so now that's been created, we can now view it as a video. And this is a really quick way to render an animation that we may have created. And as you can see too, in this view, you can see the leaves showing behind the transparent material of the text, which is exactly what we wanted. So that's how we can animate and render an animation that we've created using Tyflow. And that concludes this video. In the next video, we're going to be looking at how we can use Tyflow to create actors for our particles using the animated bike that we created earlier on in the module. So I'll see you guys in the next video.